Let me show you how to connect your D16 drone to your remote controller, and also what to do if maybe your controls aren't very good and it's hard to control your drone. So to connect both these together, first obviously make sure to insert batteries in your remote, and then let's simply turn on. And you see you have this blinking red light over here. Let's also turn on the drone. See, so it's also blinking, and then to pair both together we simply have to lift this up and down. So up and down, you see it will start flashing and then turn to constant like blue. So that means it's successfully paired. And before you actually start flying this drone, you also need to calibrate it. If you actually do not do it, basically the flight might actually be totally off. It might also be very hard to control. And to calibrate this thing, we simply have to pull our levers like this. So you see at this angle both at the same time. So pull, hold for 1 second and release. You see also your drone flashes during that, and then it returns basically. Also to calibrate, basically you need to keep your drone on a completely stable surface, so complete level. So again, that's how you essentially calibrate it. Also, if you still have maybe some problems basically flying it, also always make sure your drone is fully charged, because if the battery on these drones basically are half empty, again the controls won't be very good. Also, if your drone actually flashes while you are actually flying, that either means your connection isn't very good between the drone and the remote, or also again your battery is low. So simply again, if it flashes again, simply recharge your battery probably. Also, this drone doesn't like any wind at all, so in wind it's pretty much impossible to fly and control. So again, wait for like calm day or also fly indoors. Also distance, the reliable distance is only like 20 to 30 meters on this drone, so keep these things in mind. But again, after you basically successfully calibrate, it should work okay. By the way, also if you are looking to get this drone, I'll leave a special discount link in the description, so you can use it to essentially get this drone for only a bit over $10 on AliExpress, and that also is with free shipping as well. So this is actually what I paid for mine. For this price, this drone is absolutely insanely good. Anyway, good luck.